Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marion and today I want to show you another recipe. Very easy, very yummy and delicious as always. No more talking and let me show you straight away how I prepare this snack. These are the ingredients. 300 grams of flour, 50 grams of sugar, 50 grams of butter, 1 egg. For the milk, I have not measured. I'll be pouring step by step. I'll put 1 teaspoon of yeast and a pinch of salt. So I'll start with first mixing the dry ingredients together. The flour, sugar, and this is my microphone. A pinch of salt, and then 1 teaspoon of yeast. I'll mix this together before adding the other ingredients. So I'll add the butter, and I start mixing and then as I add 1 milk step by step. I'm not good at measuring how many ml because I don't have data to measure the ml for milk. I hope this is enough. No, I have to add again. Step by step with the milk. Ouch. I feel like the dough is still a little bit started. I hope this is now enough. So now I have to start kneading. This is the exercise. Okay, Marion, you can do it. So, wow. And then I'll cover it and let it put it in a warm place for 2 hours to double in size. So after 2 hours, this is it. Ooh. Now I'll have to make the shapes, and then I let it again rest for 45 minutes before frying them. Wow, oh, very warm. Okay, now I have to start making the shapes. It is not too thin and not thick. Straight and this side is thin, this side is thick. So this is the shape that I will make for the rest. I'll let them rise. I'll let them rest for 30 to 45 minutes before frying them. After 30 minutes, actually I put it was for 25 minutes. It has doubled a little bit in size. I could not wait until 30 minutes or 45 minutes. So now I'm just going direct and fry. I've already heat the oil and it is on a high heat. I'll reduce it to medium before putting. We start with the tester. This is called the tester. And finally, here it is. Look how beautiful. Here it is. Very soft and very, very delicious. It doesn't have a lot of sugar, and you can sprinkle the powdered sugar or with the chocolate. You can dip in the chocolate, or you can just take like this with the tea. My goodness, for me, I will take with tea because I have the black tea here ready, just waiting for these cute babies. Now let's do the best part that I like, the testing part. This one. Look, just look. With my black tea. I'm becoming a chef, step by step. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Don't forget to try also this recipe. I'm telling you, it is really, really fantastic. Trust me. For more questions, let me know in the comment section.